founder of CIS based in Bangalore. We are raising 70 lakhs for 7% equity. In today's century, whenever somebody shows us the news, pictures or videos of any event, how can we believe its authenticity? It seems that public are losing their trust on media due to lack of reliable reference of facts. Fake scandals are often convincing than the facts that are leading to harassment, racism and reputation. In 2017, Qatar lost its diplomatic relationship with the neighboring countries due to false comments. Accessing with many social applications may often put us in chaos. Time consuming and also may raise few problems like phone space, battery, performance of the system, and also puts privacy and users' data at risk by accepting many permissions to many applications. What I would like to tell you is most of the social media platforms are centralized. That means users' information can be easily exploited. It's more like having zero privacy and data security. So we have come up with a solution of decentralized social media application focused on users' data and privacy. One-stop platform to build all your connections in one platform. Decentralized makes peer-to-peer conversation due to the transparency and traceability nature of the blockchain. We can stop the fake information and fake profiles. The current size of the social media market is around $46 billion US. And we have targeted the age group of 18 to 40 years. There are around 1.8 billion users. Our product is basically of two stages. One is SAP and other one is Blogger. We have completed the SAP stage and we have acquired 6,000 users through meme marketing in just span of 40 days of organic marketing. Our revenue model is two types. One advertising and then other one is subscription model. Basically, we have registered in Startup India. We have got DPIIT recognition. We have been selected to Startup Istanbul Top 100 globally among 1,60,699 applications. We have been selected to New Chip Accelerator Texas. As it is always said, big things consume more time. To draw a line, we have to join many dots. Similarly, for us to acquire mass number of users, we have formed niche communities. After the US scandals, as Anand Mahindra tweet goes viral in 2018, why don't we have our own social media application? We believe it's time to have our own social media application. Thank you.
So why one more social media app? Did you do any survey? Do people really want this?
Yes, we have done so.
Who did you ask? Your friends?
All the college students. Like I'm from a different university and he's from a different university. I have surveyed in our college and he had surveyed in his college.
What was the survey size?
I have surveyed for 150 people and he had done the same 150.
All same age group? College?
Yeah, our seniors and our juniors and our classmates.
So is this product only for college people or others?
No, everybody.
So why didn't you survey other people?
We have surveyed our teachers also, faculty.
But all in the college, right? That's a lab experiment. I mean, everybody in college all same.
No, not only college, like wherever we go out, we keep asking about the privacy.
So what will this app do? Will it stop my wife from knowing where I go?
No, it will not stop. It's like all the other apps is centralized. Centralized in the sense your information can be easily exploited, but we are making it decentralized. See, for example, when you take all the other apps.
Can I see where my children are?
Yeah, of course you can if they share your location.
Okay, investors, any interest? If I can see the flags, red, green. Okay.
I have a question. So, you are selling the data as your revenue model.
No, we are not selling the data.
You said in the business model slide that you will sell the data. A targeted advertisement, right? That's your revenue model.
Yes, native advertisement.
That's a way to acquire the customers, or that's a way how you will make money as a business?
How we make money.
So if you are selling your users' data, means you are taking the users' data. What is different than Facebook then? It's the same thing.
We are not selling it to others, like how WhatsApp is selling to Facebook for the advertisement. But we are keeping it with us, right?
And who are you selling it to? How do you make money?
We'll make money through us. Like we'll tell them what to display on.
Okay. And you are keeping the data, then how is it decentralized anyways? If you are keeping any user data, it is not decentralized. It is centralized. You are just like another Facebook.
Decentralized in the sense, it is a distributed network, sir.
Okay, but so who is in the distribute? Who is in the distribute?
Firstly, we are building this decentralized messengers. Once it get completed, then we will be introducing the digital identities into this platform. So we are creating digital identities with digital signatures, and keys are being allotted. So there will be no sign of fake, because if there is any sign of fake, we can trace. Due to the very nature of blockchain, as it is stored in the IPFS management, we can trace it and we can get back. So no one can alter the information.
So imagine you get to the scale of Facebook, you have 2 billion users or more, and you have a decentralized database compared to the centralized one that Facebook has. How will you know 2 billion people posting billions of messages a day? How will you know? Because today Facebook can also identify post-fact. Once somebody says it's a fake news, then they can go validate. They know also the user where it logged in from, etc. You will do the same. But how? The problem is, how do you know before it happens? Before you do not know. I may join your network and I start posting stuff until, so blockchain helps you not at all in this case. Doesn't help you. Do you realize your the flaw in your argument? Doesn't really work the way you are thinking.
So my question is a little different. I want to ask, so for example, Instagram is for pictures, TikTok is for people acting out different things. What is the key pull for your social network, or are you trying to be another Facebook that does everything for everyone?
Sir, in our app, it's like all the apps in one app. We are having 4 accounts: work, family, friends, and then public.
You have no focus in terms of who you're targeting. It's everything for everyone.
What do you think is revenue per user?
In our subscription model, we are going to charge user yearly, sir. It is like $4.99 per year.
And non-subscription model? Non-subscription model?
Sir, firstly we have planned, like once we get 50k users, once we cross that, we are going to introduce native advertising. Once we cross this 1 million users, then we are going to introduce this premium features. In premium, it's like we are going to offer some of the filters, no ads. So while you say about Facebook data is cluttered. In our database, we are differentiating things. We are making this community from the beginning of the collection of data.
I am asking, what is your expectation of the revenue per user in a non-premium segment? What revenue you expect to make per
Answer
user?
to the point, or say you don't know, whatever it is, doesn't matter.
We'll collect and answer.
Okay. Umesh, you have a question?
You're looking at a problem and trying to find a solution. So it's a very right approach to getting into any kind of a business, right? So you would have realized by now, by so many people asking questions, that you probably need to think through it a little more, right? And probably do a larger scale of idea testing, right? To be able to fine tune it, right? Understand what purpose, how do you go narrow. So I think it's really encouraging to see you all think of some problems and trying to find a solution. So I think you're on the right path. Maybe a little more work there, and you'll be able to fine tune, think of technologies. You're thinking of an important issue like a data privacy. So it's a good thing to think of. I think work on it, and it will probably lead you to the right path.
Okay. So I see that the feedback you have got is that you need to think through a lot of things. I suggest you do that, and we'll work with you over the next 90 days. Thank you. Thank you very much.